There's also a VSS in that first building I hit. If that is something that interests you.
If it tickles my fancy.
Or your poop.
I wouldn't be able to feel that. Can you feel things that happen to your poop after it's left your body?
Oh yeah.
Apparently,
Do you not?
apparently Jacob has some sort of psychic link with his feces. Like, do you feel it going down the toilet and everything?
Yes. The worst is when rats eat it.
Oh God.
That
Mhm.
doesn't really surprise me at all. That you would have some weird thing to say about poop right
Does
now.
it hurt?
Why's that weird? Yeah.
Oh man.
Said it's
Have you ever heard of like how people when they lose a limb they still feel like they can feel it?
Phantom poop syndrome?
Yeah. Kind of like that.
It's kind of like phantom poop syndrome.
Living in Beverly Hills, Beverly Hills, rolling like a celebrity. Gimme, 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 gimme. Living in Beverly Hills.
I appreciate the extra flourish you put on. Gimme, gimme!
When I get up, I like to fart so it gives me extra thrust.
Huh.
And when I sit down, I also like to fart. Because it does like, you know how the Mars rover...
You don't want to sit down too hard.
Yeah.
Hurt your tailbone.
Ah!
Damn it!
Coming in hard!
What's wrong? I didn't fart.
Coming in hard!
Didn't fart my way down. Oh no! Oh yes.
It's fun. We somehow didn't take damage or stall out in the water. Here we might stall out.
No, we're good, man.
No, it's shallower than I thought.
Yeah! Hey, I don't think there are any people playing in this game. Except those first people I saw in that car driving by. And other than
I
that...
wonder where they went.
Yeah, I wonder, because I'd like to meet up with them again and see how they're doing.
Meet them up?
I'd like to meet them up. If you catch my
Does that
meaning.
Does that mean sex? We're gonna have company. I'm so far away.
Yeah, I didn't do a good job. I did a bad job.
He's probably just gonna run in, get a gun, and kill me. That's what I'd do.
If I was him, I'd kill me. What if he ran out and that grenade got him?
Is that your grenade?
How cool would that have been?
Hey, help me out here.
I'm trying to load my gun.
Killing. Revive me, let me shoot him with this last bullet.
Hey, good try, man.
Oh shit. Let me try again. There we go. Hey, that's my building.
Alright, I'm leaving. I didn't get anything.
Yeah, right. Where'd this 9mm go?
What 9mm?
Yeah. Look, yeah, you're shooting 9mm.
What's shooting?
What 9mm?
I saved your life. Don't say shit to me.
You know what? So you running up?
I ain't running anywhere.
Shit. I think they're around the building that's marked. But truthfully, I don't really know.
Truthfully?
I hear them again?
Does it still sound like they're over there?
Bullshit! Well, I'm dead.
He got in your building?
Mm-hmm. He went from outside to in my building in the time it took me to walk over to the stairs and he shot me in the face with a shotgun. Now he's just switching up backpacks. He's still looting. No, now he's done.
What did you have?
Good stuff.
Oh, so now he's armed, huh?
He is very armed. He has a mini and a barrel and a 3-time scope. There he is right there.
How'd that feel? Let's see if there's anybody over here. Might want to kill me. You were supposed to kill me!
You're a jackass.
Oh my god. Our cars have oh god. Here's how I'll die. These will blow up eventually. I'm sure of it. Look at me go!
Take 9, you might think a track.
Out of all the maps, the desert map is still the worst.
Yeah, it's still the one that needs to be, like, if they're gonna
Too
remake
big.
a map, that's the one they need to remake. Erangel, like, I'm glad that they're remastering it because it looks really good, but,
Look at company.
Too
big.
Well, and there's no fucking cover.
Yeah. He might be in my building. In fact, yep. Okay, I think he ran out. Okay, now I think they're back in. You killed them both.
First guy took one.
The dump.
Yeah, he pooped. I shot him, and poop
And he
fell out of his butt. Did I tell you about the homeless guy that tracked poop in the store the other day?
You told me about a guy that pooped himself and he's cleaned himself up in the bathroom.
I don't think I finished the story. I think something happened because
You
yeah.
didn't tell me he tracked poop into the store.
Well, 'cause I don't think I finished the story. So he was in there pooping, and I guess he was. I don't know if he was pooping and cleaning, or he'd already pooped and he was cleaning. I think it's probably the latter. Because then when we finally got him out of the place, and we're like, all right, dude, you gotta go. Then we noticed as I like, you know, went to go check things out, and I was like, well, it's not, you know, it wasn't all like fucked up in there. So then like I walked through the store, and I noticed a little bit of poop on the floor. And I was like, oh no. So I started walking, you know, the path he'd entered through, and sure enough,
Having experience for
I
how to
know
track people
when I
with their fecal matter.
I am a pretty good poop tracker.
The
So,
skill no one wants to have.
Yeah. So I tracked them, and I think
Here's
that.
the KR.
Oh, nice. I'll stick with my M24 for now. I think that he must have been outside, right? And while he was out there, he was like, living my life. And then he was like, oh no, I've pooped my pants.
Who could have seen this happening?
And then he was like, I gotta get into the nearest bathroom, which happened to be. And so he went in there and wiped himself up and used all of my paper towels out of that bathroom, and you know, took care of business. And then on the way out,
Every day.
taking care of business, wipe my butt. And then but he tracked the poop in, I think, on the way in though. There was like four little piles of poop. Like it wasn't like he tracked it in. That's the wrong verb. It was like a little bit of poop like fell out of him like on the way in. Like maybe like on the way in he was still pooping. Like it wasn't that he had pooped. And I mean he had pooped, but he also was continuing to poop.